Hello, my name is Sunaina Chugani Marquez, and my husband Matt and I are so excited to visit Infinite Love on March 7th to share a workshop on conflict resolution. This workshop is for you if you dread conflict with others, whether it's with a romantic partner, with friends, or with family. Maybe you feel worried about sharing what's on your mind because you're scared to hurt the other person or to disappoint them. Or you're tired of feeling like you don't understand your partner or they don't truly understand you. Maybe you are having the same argument over and over again, going in circles and not really fully resolving anything. If any of this resonates with you, rest assured this workshop is designed to help. You will learn how to start seeing conflict not as something to be afraid of, but as an incredible tool to get to know your loved one better and to understand them more deeply. You will learn powerful techniques to understand others at such a profound level that you will be able to ask for whatever you want without fear and with compassion and patience. The amazing thing about the skills that we're going to be sharing is that once you get comfortable with them, they will serve you and your loved ones for the rest of your life. I have spent years and thousands of dollars learning these skills, and I cannot wait to share them with you because I can truly say that they have changed my life. I see myself with so much more compassion. I feel more ease and closeness in my relationship with my husband and with my family members. And I'm starting to see the profound love and joy that is possible when we truly understand ourselves and when we truly understand others. So I hope you will join us on March 7th at Infinite Love. To reserve your seat or for more information, please visit loveisinfinite.org. Thank you.